Hi guys, this is Tony Tucker again. This is part 4. So this has gone on, and once I get a good video editor, I'll be able to splice everything together in one fluid, consistent slice there. Now what I'm doing is just showing you pretty much the finished product because I'm done. I'm tired of doing this. There was something else I wanted to show you. You saw me spray that setting thing that had a little gold in it. I forgot that one had the gold. I didn't really need the shimmer because I had already. But this is a nice rose hibiscus. Oh, I love this. And this is by Tahor. So you can find these at Burlington, Marshall's, places like that, Target, maybe Walmart, I'm not sure. But those specialty stores, Ross. And that's just refreshing. That's all that is. It's just a nice way on these hot, humid days down here in sunny Florida. Hot, humid Florida to do that. So here I am again in the mirror. Might be a little bright. Yeah. With my soup. That's cold. Now, I also have this curling iron. I'm not pretending to be an expert. I can do this kind of stuff, but I'm going to curl my hair and come back and wrap it up with number 5 and just have that glam thing going on. That, extra highlight, eyelashes with mascara, not the fake eyelashes. Anyway, I was telling you about James Weldon Johnston, The Creation, The Judgment Day. Those are great poems. One day I'll redo those and have them done for you on my YouTube channel. I'm sure you'll enjoy those. So I'll be back. And also like the video by hitting that like button. Please subscribe. Even if you have to set up a Google account, do that. It just takes about 10 minutes. And that way you can subscribe by hitting the red button. All right, and comment. And I'll see you for part 5, and I'll make it short. But thanks for joining me. That was quick, wasn't it?